Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashida here. So guys, today I'm here to show you this beautiful apartment for rent here in Canan. Guys, I was moving around, then I saw this beautiful house. It's in a very quiet place. It's in Canan Estate here in Nakwero. It's a one room, but trust me guys, it's a beautiful, beautiful house. Okay, without talking that much, let me show you the room. So guys, this is the room which is out here for rent. It's on the flat and this is the second floor. Okay, let's go in and we check out how the house looks like. Guys, this house is so cute. It's a cute house. Then it's no electricity. Eh? No electricity? Eh? Okay. So as you enter like this, the first thing you see, it's the bathroom. Okay, let's see the bathroom. Guys, see. This is the bathroom. We have a sink over there, then a mirror over there, the toilet over there, then the shower this side. Yeah, this is the shower over here. Then we have a water heater up there. You see, guys, a cute bathroom with a nice dog. That's the bathroom. Then over this side, between even you can put something you want over here, because when you cross like this, there is this space. Yeah, you see guys, there is that space over there, and that's the entrance from the inside of the house. Guys, this house is so cute. It's here in Nakwero. It's just a one room. Guys, see this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Then as you enter like this, we have the wardrobes over there. Yeah, with a mirror over there. From dressing up, waliwo weerabira. Then over this side, this is the kitchen. It's a one room, one self-contained room. Yeah, this is the kitchen over here. Such a beautiful house. Era singa mbadde sirina family, mbadde ngenda kujja mpangise wano. Okay guys, then this is where you cook your food from. Already the stove is installed. Then down here, Dennis, does this work on with the what? With the gas cooker or electricity? The cooking stove, does it work with electricity? Eh? Okay, for the stove, it works with the electricity. You don't need to have a gas cooker. Guys, this apartment is so cute. More storage. See guys, more storage over here. It's in Nakwero here in Canan Estate. More storage. Again, more storage. And more storage. Then, oh, for washing machine. Okay, then this side, again, more storage. Guys, if you are in Nakwero and you are looking for a place or a room to rent, this is a room for you. Then over here, they have provision for the washing machine in case you have a washing machine. Then up here, again, more storage. They have a lot of storage over this side, more storage. This is a very nice room. It's a cute room. And I've been told that double bedrooms, like 2 bedrooms, they go for 500, just like the same price where I'm renting. So you have no any other double room here? This is the only one you have? It's so cute. Okay, then guys, in this side, you can decide to put your bed over here. Chendowooza kivala waliwo buli bu socket, so you can put your bed over there. Yeah, then this side you can put anything you want. Again, more storage over here. Guys, this house is so cute. More storage over there. Then this, I think this can work as a dining. I don't know, because we have space here. You see, there is this space. Again, when you pass here, it's the same space. So maybe this can be your bedroom. Then you can put your little dining over there. Or but this can be your living room. Then this side, your bedroom, whatever you decide. Then the view. Is this locked? It's locked, eh? I can open. Okay. Oops. Okay, guys, so this is the view. We have this porch up here, and that's the view you get when you stand here, guys. This is a cute, cute, cute apartment. It's here in Canan. You see, guys? So in case you're interested, I'm going to take the number of David. Then in case you're interested, maybe we shall bring you here and you rent out this cute apartment. The apartment goes for 400,000 Ugandan shillings. And most apartments I know, they want 4 months, they count 3 months, then 1 month, it's for security. Is that the same thing here? Like the landlord wants 4 months? Like the landlord. Guys, this is the house. Yeah, this is the house for you.